Okie dokie. Now that we have already researched on PebbleGo, we're going to review one more time these Garrett Morgan facts and then start our journal. Here you have 2 photos of Garrett Morgan. When you start your illustration today, you can look in your slides at a younger Garrett Morgan with a bow tie or an older blind Garrett Morgan wearing his tie. Here I've included some pictures to help you understand that important traffic light. Here we can see Garrett Morgan in 1931 when he decided Cleveland had a problem. What was that problem? Traffic accidents, crashes. Look at that. How can you tell that this is a photo from the past and not from the present? What do you see? I see a horse and buggy. We don't use those anymore to travel around. This is for sure an old picture, but it's showing us in 1931 there was traffic. Even though there aren't airplanes and big fancy trucks or cars, they had the horse and buggy and those old cars that were crashing too. So here's a picture of the plan, ding, the idea that Garrett Morgan had and the plan that he drew. So he first sketched it up with pencil on paper, drew lots of details and numbers to explain his idea, his new plan. Here are some pictures of how it looked when it was first made. Here's his first invention of the traffic light. This cross could move. You see the stop words were here, lower, then they went up to the top to show a light and to say stop. A man had to control it with this handle. It wasn't automatic like our lights are now. So this is a picture to show you the first invention of the traffic light. This second picture shows then how it changed a little bit to not have the moving arms and to just have the box of lights like we have today. But there aren't 3 in this middle picture. How many lights do you see here? Just 2. So what colors do you think they are? Because we can't see in this old photo. It's all black and white. That's another sign it's from the past. Good job. What lights do you think it has if it only has 2? Green and yellow? I agree. Probably the green and the red. Go or stop. Go or stop. And then now today we have all 3 colors to even add yellow. That means slow down. Good job. But here you can see 1, 2, 3, how the original invention began and how it changed over time to the lights we have today in the present. Now it's time to get started. You've already begun this teacher video. We need to draw, color, and complete the sentence stem. Garrett Morgan is important because blank. You have to tell me why this man is important, but I will help you get started with your journal. I hope you have it ready. Let's find a new page. I've already used the right side, but I can use the back side and save the trees. Everybody start up top with a 2 for February. 22 for today. And our year is 2021. Look at all those 2s we got today. I'm going to save my spot here for my nice illustration of Garrett Morgan. Let's go to our first line and begin our sentence. How are we starting today? Garrett Morgan. I got a capital G and a capital M. Why would I have 2 capital letters at the beginning of my sentence? Good job, you smart first graders. Garrett Morgan is his name. Let's all start with a capital G. Say it with me. Garrett. Right? The sounds we hear. Et. Check our first name. Garrett. Finger. His last name also needs a capital. Morgan. Morgan. Check our name of our important inventor. Garrett Morgan. Finger space. Is. Finger space. Important. Do I have enough space here? If not, don't cry. Go to the next line. I think I do. Important. Check that word. Garrett Morgan is important. Next line. Because. Because blank. You have this whole page to write for me. What was so important about the inventor Garrett Morgan? We still use his inventions today. How did he help us? What did he do? How did he keep us safe? Very important inventions. Garrett Morgan is important because blank. When you finish your reason, it might end way down here or it might end here, but you end it with a what? Period. Then you're ready to add your pictures. You have these in your slides to help illustrate. And I hope you got these colors because you will definitely need your red, your green, your yellow to show the traffic light. You can come here and show the crash and how he fixed the problem. And here you have some close-ups of his face to draw details on your person. One more time, let's check what you need today. Date, a nice beautiful picture with color details. A sentence that begins with a capital G, Garrett, capital M, Morgan, is important because he what? Make sure you finish the sentence with what you learned today. A period on the end. Then you're ready to take a picture and upload to your teacher in Google Classroom. Nice job working on a new inventor with me today. I'll see you tomorrow. Later, alligators.